Hey guys, welcome to this free training where I'll show you how to develop your first website in just 5 clicks without any coding. In fact, I don't even know how to code, and I'm currently running 6 websites that I have developed. We're going to be using a free software called WordPress, and just to let you see how powerful this free software really is, websites like Beyonce, Snoop Dogg, BBC America, Sony Music, Dallas Mavericks are all using the same free WordPress software. And I'm not even kidding, let me prove this to you. When you have a WordPress website, all you need to do is type /wp admin at the end of the URL in the address bar to go to the login page. If we type /wp-admin at the end of Beyonce's website, we'll get this, the login page for her WordPress website. Notice the logo. The same thing happens when we go to Snoop Dogg, BBC America, Sony Music, Dallas Mavericks, and the list goes on and on and on. There are more than 75 million websites online using the free WordPress software. And what makes WordPress even more magical is that it's mobile friendly, meaning your WordPress website will correctly display on all smartphones, tablets, laptops, and desktop computers. And here are some of the gorgeous themes you can get for a WordPress website. You can have a boutique theme, an electronic store theme, a restaurant theme, a photography theme, a pet store theme, a doctor theme, a catering service theme, a nightclub theme, a news agency theme, a magazine theme. Anyone can make their own beautiful WordPress website without coding. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Now there are 3 things I need to let you know. 1. The WordPress website was always and will always be free. 2. This training on how to use WordPress is also absolutely free. 3. However, the hosting is paid, and that's understandable. But I'm going to show you how to get an amazing 25% discount. So the first thing we need to do is get our hosting up and running. So click on the link in the description below or scroll along on my website and you'll see this image here. Click on that and you'll be taken to HostGator. Now once we're on HostGator, click on Get Started Now. And we're going to choose the Hatchling plan. There are 2 other plans, but I don't think they're necessary if you're now starting out. So click the Sign Up Now button. If you have a domain, you can click here and enter the domain, but I'm going to register a new domain. I'm going to type in build a website, and the .com is already selected. And once I do that, I'm going to get a bunch more options here for .club, .co, .space, .biz, blah blah blah. There's also .org and .net, but I don't need those 2, so I'm gonna uncheck those, and I'm gonna scroll along. I'm going to also uncheck add domain privacy because I'm okay with not having domain privacy. I'm gonna change it from 36 months to 12 months, and they give you 22%. I'm gonna show you how to get 25% discount. So enter your username. Enter a security pin. You will need this if ever you need to call in for support. They'll ask you for a pin and you give them that. So just enter in your normal information, your email, confirm your email, first name, last name. You don't need to enter a company, but for your phone number, I would enter the 592 phone number. For the country, of course, just select Guyana, which is fine. Zip code is 00592. The city is Georgetown, and I'm going to change the state to Demhara Mahaica. Come up here and enter your payment information. You can use PayPal if you want, but I'm going to use my Republic Bank One card, which it's so easy to get a Republic Bank One card. 2 minutes and they give you one. They're happy to give you one. So you know, if you don't have a card, you can get one from Republic Bank. You're gonna down below, there's some more options. I usually uncheck all of them, but feel free to read through them and decide if you need any of them. Now here is where you're gonna enter the coupon code BuildABlock25 off, and you're gonna get a whopping 25% off your order. Check the terms and agreement and check out. Alright, so you're gonna check your inbox, get your email, and make sure you copy the password without any spaces. This is very important. Then you can come up here to click the link to go to your control panel, and make sure you remember your username. Now just type in your username and paste the password that you just copied. Click login, and we're gonna have access to our control panel. This is where everything happens. Alright, just close all of these notifications, you don't need any of them. And we're gonna come to get started with WordPress today. This is what we need. So click on that and it's gonna load. And when it does, come down here. Ignore all of these options at the bottom here, you don't need any of them. And come up to the top where it says install WordPress. Click on that and we're gonna fill out some of this information. I'm gonna choose below website gy.com. I'm gonna leave this empty and I'm just gonna fill in the necessary admin email, the name of the blog, the admin name, that sort of stuff. Then I'm gonna click install WordPress. Congratulations, you just made your first website in just 5 clicks without any coding. Again, another pop-up I can ignore, and this is what really we want to see. Your install is complete. Click here to view your notification. Again, copy your password without any spaces, and all we have to do is click on this link to be taken to our dashboard, and just enter your username and paste the password. I'm going to select remember me and click login to get to the dashboard. Now this is where everything happens. This is the back end of your website. This is where you make posts. This is where you update stuff. This is the front, and as you can see, nothing is really going on here. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn that into a blog like this, where we have beautiful posts, we have images, we have ads going on at the side, we have a video on the home page. But first we need to make our first post on our blog, and to do that we're gonna come back to dashboard and we're gonna come to posts, add new posts, and then all we can do here is write in a title, and I think I'm gonna write welcome to my new website. Yeah, I think this is gonna work really well. And then you can just type in something here, just like the way you'd be typing inside Microsoft Word. I think I might write something about bread. Have some bread, why not? And to add an image, I'm gonna click add media and choose select files, and I'm gonna browse for a file on my computer. Click open and click open, and this comes up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down at the bottom here and change the size to large. You can just change it to any size you want, insert into post, and now that shows up on our post. I want to align it to the center, so I'm going to choose align center, and then I think I want to align the text as well to the center, so I'm going to choose align center and just click publish and wait for it a second, and there you have it. Your first post has been published. Click on the link and there it is on your website. Now in the upcoming videos I'm going to show you how to theme your website, how to do all these really cool things to make it stand out. So check out those videos.